In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can connect your Pioneer Xumo TV to your iPhone's personal hotspot and use mobile data to stream content. First of all, open the control center of your iPhone. Then you'll need to turn on Cellular Data and make sure you have an active plan. After that, you'll be able to turn on Personal Hotspot. If you want to check the password of your personal hotspot or change it, then open Settings, tap on Personal Hotspot, and here you can see your password. You can tap on it to view and edit it if you want. And if you want to change how your personal hotspot appears, then you'll need to go to General, About, and change your iPhone's device name. And this name will pop up on your Xumo TV's Wi-Fi list. And now to connect to your iPhone's mobile data, open Settings, then go to Network. Go down and select Connect to a Wi-Fi network, then find your iPhone from the list, put in your password, and press Done. And after a few seconds it will say connected, and now you can use your Xumo TV using your iPhone's mobile data. And that's all there is to it. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.